What's happening, all you hip cool cats? My name is Kit. Welcome to another Chicago Reacts, and today we got ourselves a fun video to react to. It is titled, and the series is, and that's why all of you are here, Chainsaw Man! That's right, Chainsaw Man Season 1, Episode 3, titled Meowie's Whereabouts. Now, it takes a while for me to fall in love with the show, or to be curious about it, or to be, invested into how the overall story will go, the characters, the plots, everything that's happening, right? And I have to say, the first two episodes of Chainsaw Man really dragged me into its loving embrace of gore, violence, and characters. I want to see where this overall show will go. I'm very excited about this series, and when I was told about it, like I said, I was hesitant, but now I can't get enough. I need more. I have a fever, and it's more Chainsaw Man. So let's go ahead and check this out. What are your overall thoughts on this series? Please type in the comment section below. But I am begging you, no spoilers, because I do read the comment section. And is there anything I should kind of maybe hint look forward to? Can you write something with any kind of with no spoilers or anything like that? Maybe kind of get my interest up in this series just a little bit more, because I'm already loving it, but I want to love it more. So, without further ado, why don't you grab a tasty beverage and a snack, and let's go ahead and enjoy Season 1, Episode 3, Meowie's Whereabouts, and let's find out what kind of adventure our protagonist will get himself stuck into. Who is Meowie, and where are they at? So, let's pull up the video and play this episode.
ルハンターには向いてなかったのかな。こいつが殺せって言ったんじゃ。
言ってよくそんな嘘が言えたもんだな。
嘘じゃないわい。言った。
てめえが証拠だ。バカ。嘘くそ野郎がよ。
Well, let's just face it, their supervisor has a nice thick snack.
人間は汚い嘘をつく。わしはやれって言われたんじゃ。
わしとかなんじゃとかキャラ作りやがってよ。気持ち悪いな。
静かにできる？
I wonder if they'll have some boss coffee. Type in the comment section below to the initiated who knows what I'm talking about.
胸を揉みたいと思っている場合じゃないかもしれない。
Okay, I said it before in the previous two shows, but Denji, he's in my roster for an anime version of Avengers.
お付き女と協力なんてできねえけどな。
わしが仲良くできるのは猫だけじゃ。人間は嫌いじゃん。人間がわしに何かしたからではない。悪魔の本能みたいなもんで嫌いなんじゃ。そして悪魔も嫌いじゃ。悪魔がわしの飼ってたニャーコを連れ去ったからの。と、うぬにはわからぬ感情じゃろうがな。
エコくだらねえな。俺は胸揉めるっつうことなら何でもできるけど。
My man is a one-track mind. Oh, Beavis and Butthead would love this dude.
ニャーコを悪魔から取り戻してくれたら、胸を揉ませてやると言ったらどうする？
悪魔がよ。猫をよ。さらうなんてよ。そんなことは許せねえよな。デビルハンターとして許せねえ。俺がぶっ殺してやるぜ。
外出を許可します。17時までには戻ってくるように。
一人じゃ外出もできねえのか？
おお、ずっとここの中で退屈しとった。
All right, let's go find out where Meowie's at.
ニャーコを盾にされちゃうからね。そうなったら罪じゃ。
Focus. Stay focused on your mission, buddy.
絶対仲良くなれねえな。こいつ。
すべての悪魔は名前を持って生まれてくる。その名前が恐れられているものほど悪魔自身の力も増すという。コーヒーは怖いイメージは全くないから、コーヒーの悪魔がいたら弱いだろうね。でも車の悪魔がいたらどうだろう。タイヤにひかれて死ぬイメージがあるから 強いかも。デンジ君はチェンソーの悪魔になれる。
でもあいつはダラダラと生きたいだけだと言っています。
Nah, that's a goal. He wants to live a good life. You know, I just want to be happy with my life too. You know, it's one thing for people to say, "Oh, I want to win the lottery," and yes, that sounds great. Or, "Oh, I want to have all this and all that." But if you're not happy, if you're not living a good life personally within, you got nothing.
悪魔と仲良くなれると思ってる。まだガキなんですよ。ガキ。
Stop hating. Stop hating, dude.
そこの家じゃ。あそこにニャーコと悪魔がいる。おお、どうした？
てめえが姿見せたら猫を人質にされんだろ。
Yeah, you guys got to plan this out. You're just walking up to the house. What's wrong with you guys? Plan. Plan. Try and sneak inside the house. You're going through the front door, which is a bold plan, but come on. Yo!
勘は良かったな。
Yo! Oh, come on.
望み通り人間を連れてきたぞ。コウモリ。
What the hell?
久しぶりの食事。若い男か。精力の出る血を飲めそうだな。人間の血で癒させてもらう。まずい。まずい血で復活してしまったではない。
Ah, dude.
お前は悪魔と仲良しにでもなりたいのか。
やはり人間は愚かじゃ。
I can't believe it.
口直しは子供に決めたぞ。
Holy cow.
連れてきたんじゃ。ニャーコを返してもらう。
Ah.
ニャーコ。
私にまずい血を持ってきた罰がまだだったな。
早く大きくなれ。ニャーコを殺すのが楽しみじゃな。
What the heck?
奴はすべて殺してたからな。
Oh.
悲鳴じゃない声を聞くのは不思議な感じじゃな。
血が足りない。猫を殺されたくなければ
Yo.
連れてこい。
ポチタをもう撫でれんと言っとったな。ウヌの気持ちが分かったぞ。ひどい気分じゃな。
It is. What the heck? Yo, I gotta say. All right, first of all, this demon is by far, I mean, gross and disgusting. But on the second, on another side too, he's complaining about drinking blood and feeding on people. Already, he drank the blood of Denji, went after power, obviously ate power, and then ate Meowie. I mean, I don't think anything can make this person happy. This demon, this foul devil. Come on, Chainsaw Man. Time to boot up, suit up.
俺の胸返せ。
私の血を飲んでる。気持ち悪い。
あいつはニャーコを悪魔に奪われてどんな気持ちで眠ってたんだろう。
Get him.
バカが食っちまうぞ。
Run.
てめえが腹裂いて胸もむんだよ。
My man is focused always. He just wants to cop a feel, I guess.
これは切れるか。
チェンソー引っ込めれたな。
体にそぐわぬ怪力。その力でなぜ人
命なんざ知るか。
Yo. Yeah. All right. All right. A lot to unpack with this episode. First of all, Denji is a man on a mission. He is focused always. And let's face it, he is he's a character I'm rooting for. Already, he's like I said, he's in my roster for my Avengers team. Uh, I like how he just remains focused. He's trying to cop a feel. He's trying to live a good life, living his best life. And he doesn't give a damn about being a hero. He's just trying to be the best him he could be. So in life, let this be a lesson to all of you. Be the best you can be, and you will always be winning. Again, outstanding episode. Season 1, Episode 3, Meowie's Whereabouts. I can't stop saying enough good things about this show, this series already. By the way, type your thoughts in the comment section below. What are your thoughts on Denji? Is he a man on a mission, or is he just some random fool? But because I'm the host of the show, I'm going to use my vote. Denji's a hero. He's a man on a mission. He's no fool. All right, this has been Chicago Reacts. Be sure, again, to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that ring bell notification. That way you know when we upload new content onto our channel. And also, finally, again, we're going to be following this series. So I'll see you next time on the flip side. Keep on winning, folks.